Okay, hi everybody. Welcome to this video where I'm gonna try to show you the main features of an application that I've built, a dashboard for analyzing laptop data from Amazon. So the application has been deployed, it's currently online. You can access the application at dashboard.sinfronteras.ws. So currently the application is displaying a data set of laptops that include different brands and different series. So remember that this data has been built by scraping data from Amazon. But actually the module that is intended to load the new data is currently under construction. It's not ready yet. But when this module is ready, the user is going to be able to scrape data from Amazon from a page like this, from many pages like this, in real time and display the data. And the other page that is under construction is the sentiment analysis page. This is also a very important topic for the application, so we're currently working on this page as well. Okay, so before showing the main features of the application, I wanted to show you how we are currently scraping the data from Amazon. So we're using this script that we have built using a Python framework called Scrapy. So I'm going to run the script. So it's quite fast because actually we're just scraping about 35 laptops in this example. Okay, so it's finished. It has created this file that is a JSON file. Let's open the file. So we can see that it's a JSON file that contained the information of 35 laptops. So you can see all the details, the technical details like brand, series, operating system, and of course the reviews. So this is the kind of data that is going to be displayed in the dashboard. And I repeat, when this module is going to be ready and the user is going to be able to scrape the data and display the results in real time. So now let's talk about the home page. This page has been designed so the user is able to visualize and to discover the data. So I don't know, let's say that you want to display all brands at the same time. It takes a bit because when you select a brand or you change the criteria, the application have to process the data of all the customer reviews. So you can also filter by price. So I don't know, let's say that we are interested in expensive laptops, I don't know, over $1,000. So now the application is going to propose only computers over $1,000. There are actually only two computers. So you can see that they are gaming laptops that are actually usually very expensive laptops. Okay, so but in other cases, it's better to analyze only one brand. So I don't know, let's choose one brand, Acer's computers. And let's talk about the charts that we have included in the application. So the first one is a bar chart to compare average customer reviews and prices. So you can see that the blue bar show values for all items. That means for all the series in a brand. But we have also included a red bar that displays the value for selected items only. For example, if you want to know the price of a specific computer, so let's select only one series, for example. So you can see that it's actually a very expensive computer, $1,009, and have a very good customer review score, 4.3. So the second chart that we have included is a bubble chart um, that show the average customer review versus prices. And we have included this chart because actually one of the main features that can be analyzed when talking about sales is the relationship between price and customer satisfaction. So with these kind of charts, we can try to establish a relationship between price and customer reviews. And one very nice features of this kind of charts is that you can select the brand that you want to visualize. For example, if you click in one brand, Lenovo for example, so if you double click in one brand, only this brand is going to be shown. But if you click in one brand, this one is going to be excluded of the chart. For example, you can exclude the brand that you want, or you can select only one. Now the other panel that we have included is to visualize the most frequent words in customer reviews. The first one is a word cloud. That is a very nice visualization of the most common, of the most frequent words in the customer reviews. But if you need to be most precise, you can use the word count chart that provides the exact number of time a word has been mentioned in the customer review. For example, you can select only the first word and visualize how many times this word has been mentioned in the customer review. In the case of gaming, 174 times has been mentioned. So let's, for example, analyze the information provided by the word cloud in the word count bar chart. We can see that the most frequent words are gaming, scream, game, great, really, good. So words like good or great indicate that it is a computer that user have liked it. But we actually already knew this information by analyzing the average customer review score, that is 4.3. So we already knew that user have liked this information, this computer. But an information that we didn't know and that is provided by the word cloud with words like gaming or game is that this is a gaming laptop. And we finally found the word scream, which is probably the word that provides the most important information for this word cloud. We can see that the user are talking about the screen of this computer, but we cannot be sure about what customers are saying about the screen of this computer. Can be something good or can be something bad. We can, for example, try to infer. We can infer that it's a good that users are saying something good about the screen based on the good customer review of the computer, or maybe based on the other words present in the word cloud that provide a positive sentiment. But even like this, we cannot be sure that the customer are saying something good about the screen. So that is why there are other kind of analysis that can bring more information, like sentiment analysis, which is actually the topic that we are currently working on. So that's everything for now. Thank you, everybody. Bye bye.